Let me show you how to remove your door lock of a VW Polo 9N and 9N3. The only tools that you need are a T20 with a screwdriver like this and a plastic trim remover. Now this is optional. I like to have it to wedge into the lock to loosen it. So I'll show you the one on the passenger side, and it's exact same on the driver side as well. First of all, open your door, and just where the lock is, you have this plastic grommet. Go ahead and remove that. As you come inside, you have a T20 screw just in there. Okay, just about, you can see it just about there. So you want to go ahead and turn that anti-clockwise. Just remember, you want to turn it enough and you want to keep pulling on your door lock so you can wedge this bit in here, or try to get here, or in with your hand. Try to keep pulling it as you're unscrewing it, or as you're turning the bolt anti-clockwise. You don't want to take the bolt off totally. Keep doing it, and finally you'll see that your door lock is going to get loose. Okay, for example, look how loose that has gotten now, and I've got room to wedge my plastic trim remover around it. And see, if I show you this way, if I show you this way, if I show you this angle, it's all nice and loose now. So now you want to get your plastic trim remover tool and just go around prying your door lock just like that. Once you have it in this position, or this much out, you should be able to pull it out with your hand, just like that. So you can leave your T20 in there, get your new door lock, insert it back, just the way you pulled it out. Just remember, you're going to have to pull up your door handle and push it in. And once you've done that, go ahead and turn your T20 clockwise to lock it in position. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next one.